Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make a yogurt banana smoothie. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need 1 ripe banana, peeled and sliced, along with 1 cup of your favorite yogurt. Plain or vanilla works great. Don't forget 1/2 cup of milk, whether it's dairy or a non-dairy alternative. These simple items are the foundation for a delicious and healthy drink, perfect for any time of day. Let's get blending. Now, let's get to blending. Carefully add your sliced banana, yogurt, and milk into a high-speed blender. For a perfectly chilled smoothie, toss in about 1/2 cup of ice cubes. Secure the lid tightly and blend on high until the mixture is completely smooth and free of any lumps. This usually takes about 30 to 60 seconds, depending on your blender's power. Enjoy the creamy texture. Want to make your smoothie even better? Feel free to customize it. A tablespoon of honey or maple syrup can add a touch of sweetness if desired. For an extra nutritional boost, consider adding a scoop of your favorite protein powder. Once blended to perfection, pour your delicious creation into a tall glass and serve immediately. It's a quick, refreshing treat that's easy to adapt to your taste. This delightful yogurt banana smoothie isn't just tasty, it's packed with goodness. It provides essential vitamins from the banana and beneficial probiotics from the yogurt, supporting your digestive health. It's a fantastic, quick, and satisfying option for breakfast or a healthy snack. Remember to check the description for a link to those leak-proof containers and other great deals to help with your meal prep. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.